Mr. Gideon Gonzalez and Mrs. Mary Ann Gonzalez. John Matthew is a grade 1 Masunurin learner under the advisory of Madam Anita Sierra Miscal. His dream is to become a teacher someday, inspired by his motto, I can do hard things with a happy heart. He loves playing and building Lego. Our third princess is Miss Reina Jen Damon. She is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Reynald Fernandez and Mrs. Josel Damon. She is a current grade 1 Masunurin learner under the advisory of Madam Anita Sierra Miscal. Reina wants to become a flight attendant someday, and she loves to sing and dance with her guiding motto in life, today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Once again, our third prince and princess, Jen Matthew Gonzalez and Reina Jen Damon. Let's give them a big round of applause.